Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Ortho Adapt, 120 capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports proper bodily responses to stress. Advanced non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Orth Adapt is our premium adaptogenic formula. Includes porcine adrenal tissue and cortex to provide needed peptides and cofactors, along with Pantethine, the activated form of pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, and botanical adaptogens. Supports the body's natural ability to respond to stress with balanced, proactive energy rather than alarm or exhaustion. Also available in a vegetarian formula. Suggested use. Take one capsule 1 to 4 times a day or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. It is recommended that you start with one capsule daily and increase the serving size gradually up to a personal optimal level. Other ingredients. Microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hyperomlose and purified water, silicon dioxide and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish or shellfish. Warnings. Do not take if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult your physician if you have a medical condition, for example acute infection, liver disorder, or if you're taking any medication, for example antidepressant medications, hormone replacement therapy, HRT, or birth control pills. Keep out of reach of children. Caution: headaches, mild gastrointestinal disturbances, such as nausea, heart palpitations, or hyperactivity, insomnia may occur. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.